That has stuck in here. And then I'm gonna get the colorful one right there. Yeah. You never have too much butterflies and crystal. Guess what? If I didn't do it and you don't like it, I can always take it up and do it over. Just kidding. Because I will be here with you until like midnight, which is we did, right? That's so much fun. It's like I'm really enjoying with you ladies. Lots of going on here. I saved this spot. But loads of butterflies. I love it too. Okay, great. So no flowers because we have a lot of going on here. I am going to using condensed glue gel. I know exactly where I'm gonna place my crystal. It's gonna be so fun. And I just sharing with you. If you do it at salons, you don't want to add a lot or more, you don't have to. I'm gonna show you, see how things gonna be. I'm gonna cap it completely. And I am using right now is condensed glue gels. I'm so pleased with this because it's not only work with flat back crystal, is 3D chain charms. Be careful because it's gonna come off. And where's my no white chocolate? Oh, right here, no white chocolate right in front of me. I'm gonna apply one coat floatings on the top of Unclear condensed glue gel. This techniques will help help grab the base of the crystal and then just bond it so well. Was help and keep it last so long. Okay, all done, everyone. Look at this. I'm gonna do some fun thing. Can I get some pink here? Some pink. Alright. Pink and yellow. Blue. I just spilled that. You can't take me anywhere. Aha, looks cute. One more pink. What beads should we do? Obsidian? I can use obsidian. Can I please get the obsidian? It's just off on my hands. Okay, easy. Okay, Ooh, everyone, I love this. Sarah, it's really nice here. I love your live video. I'll be watching them. I was working, and when I focus on working, and I don't like watching news. That's the thing. That's why. You know, funny is that both of my phones on the other rooms, and I didn't get to see notification. I should put it on my laptop so then I can turn it on when you are going live. Because I don't want to miss your live video, because your live video is so entertaining and I learned so much too, you know. I feel so bad when I even miss it. It's, oh my God, darn it, I didn't get to hang out with you, lady. What? Because when I focus on work and work really straight and work a lot, lady. So then, just like so that's why I always have to have like notification on my phone. And but then if it happened that I don't, it's not there with me. That's the thing. Oh, it looks so stunning. I don't know. I feel like I'm like Sarah now. It's like artist, really Aussie. Great. Okay, if you don't like it, then it's okay. Or take it off and do it over. Or if you like it, I'm going to key it now. I just went to, okay, I like it, Nancy, so I can key it. Great. All right. Here. It's cool, though. I don't know. Sometimes I'm amazed what I'm doing because it's cool to challenge yourself. And I did this one, the diamond shards. Not afraid of to try something new. Play with this. Okay, so also I did this one earlier, not on the live video, so you don't feel bad if you're missing it. I put this, but then I using a gold frame. So another crystal placement for you to do, you can do that as well. But this one is silver, and the other one is gold. Where can I put that? Where's that belong to? Yes, for that, you can't, you know what? I'm trying to play with that. Since yesterday was everyone asking. I think you don't even have to using a blossom gel. You can just use direct gels on it. And then I think it's your pressure of pulling that strings or the, I think it's the beads or the chains lightly. If you pull it so hard, it's going to pull all your colors. So I want to keep playing and then until we got it. Okay. Precision glue. And hold on, I'm going to move this guys right here because they are in our old way. Great. All right. I'm going to trying to practice and play with this and then wrong one. Okay, we're gonna check if any cracks, any gaps. And you're gonna fill it in. You don't have to fill a lot, just a little go a long way. We don't have to fill butterfly because they stay really nice. And look at that. I'm gonna show you quick. So that's why I have to use my tinted brush. if you see closer, right there, you can see that, right? Is extra precision glue I was squeezing. I will blend it. It's totally fine if you leave it there, but if you want to make it look flawless, you're gonna blend it nicely and wipe off the excess precision glues on the piece of paper, so then you don't have to like load your brush with so much precision glue extra. So I'm gonna blend it like that. And now you cure it. Make sure clean the brush. I know, right? Foxy, the neon crystal is so stunning, especially, you know what? We did this one on mine. I like it, but I really, really like it when it's on the top of the base. Like Sarah did a lot of cool stunnings with neon too. And I got to see ladies, if any of you are trying even one nails or two nails or one nails, just, you know, don't forget to tag us, so then we would love to feature your beautiful work. I think Sarah got the thread though. Sarah, can you try, that's a thread that you have it on a little bit thicker. Can you try to separate in half? You think it might work? I don't know, that's my idea. Okay, the final look, let me recap.